Okay, area 4, activity 4, question 8. Now, the question is this. A room measuring 7.2 by 3.8 needs to be painted. The room has one door measuring 2.1 by 900 and two windows, each measuring 1.8 by 1.2. Refer to diagram below. The wall height is 2.4. Calculate how many square meters of wall area needs painting. Okay, so there's our room. There's a bird's eye view of our room. Two walls at 7.3 and two walls at 3.8. And every single wall has a wall height of 2.4. Right, the calculation. There's two walls at 7.3 by 2.4. There's two walls by 3.8 at 2.4. So our first calculation would be 7.3 times 2.4 times 2, which is 35.04 square meters. So all we're doing is going 7.3 times, which is the length, times the height, which is 2.4, times 2, because there's those two of those walls. 3.8 by 2.4 times 2 equals 18.24. Same process. You have two walls at 3.8 by 2.4. You times that, then you times that by 2, and you come out with 18.24 square meters. Now your door, you have a door of 22.1 by 0.9, which is 900 millimeters. You only have one of those doors, so that equals 1.89 square meters. You have two windows, both are 1.8 by 1.2. So you times that by 2. As you see in the calculation, that ends up being 4.32 square meters. Over here, what I've done is I've added those two wall measurements together, and I've come out with 53.2 square meters. I've added the two measurements, the one door and the two windows, and I've come out with 6.124 square meters. Now I haven't finished this calculation, so you can do that. So all you're doing is again 53.28, which are the walls, take away 6.21, which is the door and the window. Then you'll end up with your calculation. You will use that calculation to finish, to answer the rest of the questions referring to this part of the unit. Any questions? Give me a text and I will ring you back. Remember, decimal points. Don't forget to put your decimal points in the right place.